Hey guys, Olivia here, and I've been reading some articles lately, so I wanted to come on here to kind of share one that caught my eye recently, and it was about why super expensive renovations may not boost the price of your home if you're thinking about selling your home. So I talk to people all the time that are like, I want to redo my kitchen, I want to redo my bathrooms, I want to put in hardwood floor, I want to do all this before I sell my home. And that may not be the best way to go about it. So you got to think about and talk to your agent about the type of market that the type of where your house is located. If there are a lot of investors in your area, then it may not be worth doing any upgrades and just selling your house as it is, because the investor will come in, flip it, and resell it, right? So if the market is filled with investors, then you might be good, all right? Now, if your market has a lot of millennial buyers and the younger generation coming in, most of them want move-in ready homes. So the general rule of thumb is like kitchen and bathrooms. So think about those rooms and think about minimal upgrades that you could do. And I'm not talking put in all new cabinets, uh, all new high-end stainless steel appliances, hardwood floor. No. If your cabinets are in great shape, maybe you could paint them, or maybe you can refinish them if they're a nice wood grain. Maybe you could put vinyl flooring or um, what is it called? Laminate that looks like hardwood floor. There's so many options out there, guys, where you don't have to go putting in all this money to make your rooms look brighter and newer, okay? So think about the bathrooms as well. But talk to your agent and see what he or she recommends, because there's a lot of options out there that are super affordable and that will actually make your home appear so much better and so much more pleasing to the eye by doing minimal work, okay? And the other thing is, some people might come in and not like these high-end upgrades that you've done if you put in all this money. And they might be like, oh no, I don't really like this choice and it's brand new. I'm going to pass on this home because I want something where I can put my own little touch to it, right? So that's why it might not be worth doing all these big upgrades. Also, restore your home into good shape, meaning do minimal upgrades and then test it on the market. See how many showings you get, see if those upgrades help. And then do the more and more updates after that, if that makes sense, once you've tested the minimal upgrades on your market. So it all comes down to the type of market we're in, guys. Talk to your realtor. They should be able to help and kind of give you an idea of the market in your area before you go spending all of this money on things that just really might not matter in the end when you go to sell your home. All right, thanks. Talk to you guys soon.